How to fix try searching to get started on YouTube. So if you want to fix try searching to get started on YouTube, then first open up your YouTube application. Once you open up your YouTube, now if you don't get this kind of interface, and if you get an interface which says try searching to get started on YouTube, then don't worry, it's nothing. What you need to do is you just need to simply go with search, which is on the upper right. Go for the search bar, and here you need to simply search for any channel that you're comfortable with. So I'll be searching for a channel. Once you've searched, now you just need to simply go and view one or two of their videos. So once you go and searched, and once you've visited the channel, and once you've viewed the videos, then your problem will be fixed. And you can also subscribe the channel if you want to, and do that same thing with one or two channels, and your problem will be fixed. So remember, the more you engage with content on YouTube by searching and watching videos, the better YouTube will become at recommending videos suited to your taste. So don't hesitate to start exploring and searching for the types of videos that make your time. Do the same steps for 1 or 2 days, and this will fix your issue, and YouTube will recommend you videos based on your search. So that's how you can fix try searching to get started on YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.